Editing Lawrence here, just to say that everything you see from the end of this clip until the timestamp coming up below was written entirely by ChatGPT. I'll be posting links to screenshots from my discussion with ChatGPT and all the prompts and all the text and the final script in the description below. Other than that, see what you think. Hello and welcome to In Pursuit of Progress. I'm Lawrence Newport, and today we're going to be talking about ChatGPT, a natural language processing model developed by OpenAI. Now I know what you're thinking, another AI model, but hear me out, because ChatGPT is no ordinary AI model. It's like the Chris Hemsworth of AI models. It's tall, muscular, and can generate responses that are almost human-like. But enough with that, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. ChatGPT is a cutting-edge technology that uses machine learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to natural language inputs. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, making it easier for us to communicate with them in a more natural and intuitive way. One of the key advantages of ChatGPT is its ability to understand and generate responses to a wide range of inputs, including complex and abstract concepts. This makes it an incredibly versatile tool that can be used in a variety of different contexts. For example, ChatGPT could be used to power virtual assistants that can understand and respond to a wide range of commands and queries. It could also be used to generate responses to customer service inquiries, providing quick and accurate answers to common questions. In addition to its potential applications, ChatGPT is also an exciting development in the field of natural language processing. By using advanced machine learning algorithms, ChatGPT is able to understand and generate responses in a way that is remarkably similar to how a human would. As impressive as ChatGPT is, however, it's important to also consider the potential risks associated with this technology. One of the biggest concerns is the potential for it to be used to generate fake or misleading information. Because ChatGPT is able to generate responses that are similar to how a human would, it could be used to create convincing fake news or misinformation. But don't worry, ChatGPT isn't going to start spewing out fake news like a broken printer spitting out paper. To mitigate this risk, it's important to have strict guidelines in place for the use of ChatGPT. For example, it could be used only by trusted organizations or individuals, and all generated responses could be carefully reviewed before being released to the public. Another potential risk is the potential for ChatGPT to be used to automate certain tasks that are currently performed by humans. While this could potentially lead to increased efficiency and productivity, it could also result in job losses for some of those workers. But hey, at least we'll be finally able to use those "robots are taking our job" signs to good use. To address this issue, it's important to ensure that the development and implementation of ChatGPT is done in a way that considers the potential impact on workers. This could include providing retraining and support for workers who may be affected by the automation of their jobs. ChatGPT could be a lifesaver for people who struggle with communication, whether it's due to a language barrier, a speech impediment, or just a general lack of confidence. There are many people who find it difficult to express themselves clearly, but with ChatGPT, they could have a virtual assistant that is able to understand and respond to their needs in a way that is more natural and intuitive. Another potential application of ChatGPT is in the field of education. By using this technology, teachers could create personalized learning experiences for their students, providing them with tailored feedback and support. Imagine a world where your child's math tutor is an AI that is able to understand their individual learning style and provide them with the support they need to succeed. It's like having a personal robot tutor that doesn't judge you for not knowing how to divide fractions. So if you're ever feeling lonely, just strike up a conversation with ChatGPT. It may not be able to provide you with a hug, but it can definitely hold a decent conversation. Overall, ChatGPT is an incredible example of the progress being made in the field of artificial intelligence. It is a technology that has the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with machines, making it easier for us to communicate with them in a more natural and intuitive way. As we continue to explore the capabilities of this technology, we are sure to see even more exciting developments in the future. So if you want to stay up to date on the latest AI news and developments, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you don't, well, we'll just have to resort to using ChatGPT to generate fake likes and subscribers. But jokes aside, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Fuck. What? 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 Oh my god. It's actually pretty difficult to get across what I think about that. That was a very strange experience. That took me like, I don't know, under 5 minutes to generate. The prompts I used, like the first couple, it gave me quite a boring script, so I asked it just make it funnier, make it have more levity. The Chris Hemsworth thing was weird. It kept wanting to so every prompt it finished, and it wanted to finish that as if it was the end of the video. So I kept telling it, don't finish the video, keep going, keep going. And in the end, I just deleted the kind of, at the end of every kind of chunk of text, it was giving me a concluding paragraph, and I'd just delete it, and I'd say, continue the script from here. Keep the jokes up. It kept wanting to end the video on a joke about Chris Hemsworth's abs. I don't know why. And I literally had to expressly tell it when it was generating the conclusion, don't mention that anymore. The joke about signs about robots taking our jobs, I don't know how many videos out there are AI generated already, but there's about to be a hell of a lot more. You ever feel like you're getting rapidly out of date? I think a lot of us are about to experience a feeling like that. Impressive. Very, very impressive. So yeah, you can see that I was pretty blown away. I think in part as well with the last day or so since, I've really been thinking about it, and there's so many potential possible bonuses from this, like the amount of startups that can happen because of this, the amount of projects that will be possible, the amount of things that are just annoying about everyday life stuff that you could probably just kind of entirely automate is pretty huge. There's a lot of stuff where starting a script or starting a paper or starting kind of any kind of writing, creative writing, stories, whatever, requires you to kind of first put words down on the page. And it can be really, really helpful. Just have something generate you a start that you can then edit or just use in whatever way. The amount of stuff that you can use it for to reduce problems is pretty huge. And of course, it's an incredible leap forward and something which I think deserves as much attention as we can possibly give it at the moment. And this is just the start, really. AI progress is doubling every 6 months, computing power, doubling every 6 months. So this is going to be quick. There's going to be a lot of stuff very, very fast. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this, and I'll see you next time. Thanks.